Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. The Queen of Stage, Spice, has re-released her latest hit single, Inches. The track has gained massive traction on the scene since being released in August as a Reggae Gold 2020 exclusive. In responding to fans' requests, Spice made the track available on all digital media streaming platforms. Inches was first debuted on the season 9 finale of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. The episode focused on the launch of Spice's makeup and wig line, Faces and Laces. Since then, the catchy track has been a hit on the scene, with the video picking up over 2 million views on YouTube. Now, controversial dancehall artist Ellie Lewis was trending last night after this JNN news clip went viral online of him protesting alongside members of the national Jamaican Nyankopong, who believe that the COVID-19 virus is not real. Lewis, who is the group's Secretary of State, joined protesters in St. Catherine, hitting out against the COVID-19 protocols put in place by the Jamaican government. Twitter users have since blasted Ellie Lewis for disobeying COVID-19 protocols. Now, on the international scene, the release of the new James Bond film No Time to Die has again been delayed until 2021. Universal and Bond producers Michael G. Wilson and Barbara Broccoli announced on social media that the 25th installment will now open globally next year on April 2. They also said they understand that the delay will be disappointing to fans, but look forward to sharing No Time to Die next year. The highly anticipated film was originally set to be launched in April this year, but pushed back to November 12 in the UK and November 20 in the US due to the effects of COVID-19 on the theatrical business. No Time to Die marks Daniel Craig's final appearance as British secret agent 007, Bond. James Bond. The Billie Eilish titled song and a new trailer was recently released for the film. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.